And lovely people, my name is Dirty Mike and welcome to the top 5 goals of the week brought to you by SA Sports Gaming. And we're looking at FIFA 14, the demo. We got it locked and loaded and people have been submitting clips left and right. Drop a comment below, let us know how you're feeling. What are the pros and the cons from the FIFA 14 demo so far? And at number 5, starting things out with a bang, got AC Milan and Balotelli breaks loose from Calix 03. Got a lot of space, so what's he do? He drops on a dime. Just a lovely touch of class, chips it right over the keeper. I haven't seen this animation in FIFA 13, at least not in head-to-head, so I'm looking forward to some of the changes that EA has made, and it just drops right in the back of the net. Piece of cake. Moving on to number 4, we have the Spanish powerhouse known as Barcelona, making a prime-time appearance. And the ball's received. Xavi's got it, CPD 15 HD, and a deadly dagger, top corner. All the keeper could do is watch. And you go ahead and knock out that back foot, but check out the ball mechanics. And that's something he has been talking about a lot. The dip is incredible. Extraordinary, extraordinary. What's going to top that at number 3? We've got Jobama. Lewandowski takes it down the middle, and a deep shot. Absolutely. And that looks a little bit similar to some FIFA 13 goals, but the power, the distance, the celebration, it was all there. I think Lewandowski is going to be an absolute beast going forward. The combination between pace, skill, power, strength, he's got all of the above, and it's well deserved. Had an incredible season at Dortmund this past year. Got Ibra, flicks it up to himself, real entropy. What a shot. Did you see the power, the movement, the strength? I think that PSG is going to be a top 3 or 4 squad in head-to-head this year. I mean, they just look so dominant and complete from start to finish, from top to bottom. You've got Ibrahimovic, a game changer. We're checking the sliders out right now. Everything looks legit. We have nothing to worry about. No cheating, no extra benefits, just a beautiful goal. And at number 1, we've got El Shaarawy, FIFA UT coin story, flicks it up, beats the defender, and up for 90. That's how you close out a match. 90th minute. You talk about scripting. That's the real deal. Holyfield. I don't think EA could write a script quite like this. And that goal is just so beautiful. Got to put that on repeat. So if you guys want to send in any clips, make sure to hit up SA Sports Gaming. And we have Xavi here going from, Dr. Jackal to Mr. Hyde. And it's not a surprise. EA makes mistakes, glitches, and bugs here and there. So if you enjoyed the video, make sure to drop a thumbs up and subscribe to SA Sports Gaming. Until next time, peace.